Now we'll try to understand what is power of a lens. So first of all, we'll see its definition. Power of any lens is its ability to converge or diverge the light rays. Okay, to diverge means रेस को फैला देता है. आपका जो लेंस होगा वो रेस को अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में फैला देगा. ठीक है. और कन्वर्ज करने का क्या मतलब होता है कि जो भी लेंस है जब भी उसमें से रेस पास होंगे तो वो लेंस क्या करेगा, सभी रेस को आपस में एक साथ लेकर आएगा, किसी एक पॉइंट पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करवाएगा. सो व्हाट इज पावर? इट इज द एबिलिटी ऑफ द लेंस टू डाइवर्ज और टू कन्वर्ज द लाइट रेस. ओके, एंड वी हैव स्टडीड दिस अर्लियर ऑल्सो दैट concave lens is a diverging lens and convex lens is a converging lens. Now, the formula for power is this: power is equals to 1 upon focal length. And from the formula, I can also write the SI unit of power. Okay, just see here, this is the formula. So, what is the unit of focal length? The SI unit of focal length is meter. So the unit of power is what? 1 upon meter, or else I can say meter inverse. Okay, meter inverse is also known as diopter, and therefore I can say that the SI unit of power is diopter. From this I can define 1 diopter. What is 1 diopter? It is the power of a lens whose focal length is 1 meter. आप यहाँ पर 1 मीटर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. ठीक है, पावर इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन एफ. तो फोकल लेंथ कितना रखना है हमको? 1 मीटर. जब किसी भी लेंस का फोकल लेंथ 1 मीटर होगा तो उसका पावर कितना हो जाएगा? 1 डायोप्टर. ओके, सो दैट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ 1 डायोप्टर. नाउ वील अंडरस्टैंड दिस कंसेप्ट मोर with the help of 2 examples. So suppose see here in the first example we are having a lens whose power is +2 diopter. Then what will be its focal length? I know this formula, power is equals to 1 upon focal length. So from that I'll make F subject of equation. So focal length is equals to 1 upon P. What was the value of power? It was 2. So 1 upon 2 will give me what? 0.5 meter. Why meter? Because this is focal length. Okay, so I obtained the focal length of the lens as 0.5 meter. Now suppose if someone asks me that what type of lens is this, whether it is concave or convex, then how will I answer? See, I know the sign convention and from that I can answer. See here, the focal length is positive. Okay, now just concentrate on this figure. This is the ray diagram for a convex lens when the object is placed at infinite distance. So see, this is the direction of light. And if I want to measure this focal length, then in which direction I have to move? आपको पता है कि जब भी हम कोई भी distances, whether it is object distance, image distance, radius of curvature or focal length, whatever we want to measure, we'll start the measurement from optical center. So I have to measure this focal length in this direction. And the measurement of focal length, the direction of measurement of focal length and the direction of light is same. Therefore, the focal length of convex lens is positive. So I can identify from the value of the focal length that whether this lens is convex or concave. So here it is a convex lens as the focal length is positive. Now we'll see another example. So here we have power of the lens as -2.5 diopter. Okay, and here I want to calculate the focal length of this lens and I also want to know what type of lens is this. So again from the formula of power 1 upon focal length, I'll make focal length the subject of equation. So I will get F is equals to 1 upon P. Here I'll substitute the value of P, 2.5 diopter, okay, along with its negative sign. So 1 upon -2.5 will give me -0.4 meter. So this is the focal length. तो एक आंसर तो हो गया. One more thing what I want to calculate, one more thing what I want to know is the type of this lens. Now see here, the focal length is negative. तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि कौन से लेंस की फोकल लेंथ नेगेटिव होती है, कॉनकेव या कॉन्वेक्स. So for that, just concentrate on the ray diagram. See here, this is the object placed at infinite distance, and in this figure, this is the direction of light. And if you concentrate, then just see this focal length. If I want to measure this focal length, I will be moving in the opposite direction. Okay, I have to start measuring from optical center. So this was the direction of light, and if I start measuring the focal length from optical center, then I have to move in this direction, which is opposite to the direction of light, and therefore the focal length will be negative. So when I obtain negative focal length, I'll be able to identify easily that this lens is concave lens.